Ooh, Sam killed it.
Woo! Young Snap. About to bring the parties back on this one. Yeah, I stay flying, ball like Spike Lee. All these chains on, got me feeling like Ice-T. Hit the Gucci store, 500 on the white tee. Feeling like 50, y'all niggas ain't like me. You ain't a road runner, never seen you OT. Jokes up, smoking, eat the 400 for this OC. Ever seen 100 grams turn into a whole key? Keep a bankroll on me, cause I'm so street. She call me Rozay, but I really think I'm Big Meech. I know they listening, hit me on the FaceTime. You was giving the phone, I had to make mine. D on my back and they want me to take time. Give my lawyer 30 and he said you gon' be fine. Like a stripper bitch, yeah, I'm always gon' wanna grind. Stuff my bitch pussy like a turkey if they get behind. Ever since I got rated, wishing I could press rewind. You know the dope girl. When the fees waiting in the line, you know the dope girl. When the fiends can't wait to try. Trap getting high, needed vacation like Jeezy. When we hit the club, we pop bottles like Nietzsche. Pull up to the hood, the little niggas like teach me. Fucking 9 to 5, you can't pay me weekly. Fox 25, I see my face on TV. How you grind your whole life and you still can't reach me. I was trying to sell my first brick, fuck my first CD. I drip too hard, need an umbrella like Riri. I told that bitch, just be you not VV. The rollie buzz down, she had thought all VVs.